And I'm Tom, behind the scenes.
And we are KY Travelers. We've been watching a few videos from the other folks that have their channels, and it seems to me that packing is a big question nowadays. And I have to show you all this. I was so excited when we came across these. Tom and I went to Costco today. You know, we go like once a month just to get our bulk supplies. But we came across this little suitcase. Look at that. And isn't it the coolest thing? It's got wheels, little handle here. Pulls up. I'm going to slide that back down out of the way. Now, here's my question. Do you believe that I can pack 7 days of clothes, your hygiene items, shoes, in this? No? Well, what if I told you that it has some nice deep-sized pockets on each side? One on each side. We have, look, we have this. See? There's a spot right there. Here's a couple of pockets here, a big pocket here. Still no? Okay. Well, we also have this. Now, you can pack all you want in here. Look, we've even got a place to put our tablet. Now, I had a 10-inch tablet. It's gray in there. Now? No? Well, okay. How about now? What do you think now? Maybe? Maybe? Let me get it unfolded here. Alright. Look. See that? And we have another pocket here. Look at that. And you see this? If you don't want that there, then just unzip it. Hello. Yeah, all that room for storage. Isn't that something? Look, want to secure it? There we go. So, think I can get 7 days in here? This is a carry-on, by the way. This is an actual allowable size of carry-on for Allegiant. That's who we fly with most of the time. And my understanding is it's about the right size for all airlines. Tom measured it a while ago just to make sure. We have the dimensions on it. We'll put the specs on it in a little description at the bottom. Okay. Not only did he get one, he got me one too. There it is. 7 days. This has medication in it. Just wait till you see. You're going to be so surprised. And look, I still have room. Just look. It's not bowing out. It's not looking like it's about to bust at the seams. Nothing like that, okay? I'm not going to pack for you. I'm going to unpack for you, okay? So here we go. First of all, four shirts. Six shirts. This is a pair of dress pants and a shirt. This is a dress. It's all for formal night. I have, oops, no, shorts, pants, the beginnings of pajamas, or pajama bottoms anyway. My tablet and a cute Amazon. Okay. A long sleeve shirt. Tends to get cold sometimes, you never know. Another long sleeve shirt. Pajamas in case it's warm. A set of shorts pajamas. Another pair of pajamas. My little shoes for wearing around inside the cabin. Not much on going barefoot. There's two pieces in here. This is a rash guard, and I have the pants to it. Another rash guard, the pants to it, and my little swim shoes. I'm going to take EECC's advice and get me a couple of shower caps. Shoes. I think the shower caps would take up even less room. Those are for the beach. Flats for my dress clothes. Pair of flops. And of course I'll be wearing a pair of tennis shoes onto the plane. Oh, and here's the rest of my pajamas. Another swim outfit. Hygiene supplies. This has the unmentionables in it. You know, the undies, which are over on this side. I have 6, sorry. Here's the socks in here. Okay, there's the little shorties, no slip socks. Oops, you saw my bra in my drawers. Makeup. Alright. Now do you believe me? These are great, y'all. We actually gave $29.99 a piece for these. And you know what? Let me show you something else here. Need an umbrella while we're out? There you go. Laundry bag? There you go. Hot days? Wet her down. Let's go. These are deep pockets. There's 2 pockets here. And then a clear one. I mean, I didn't even use everything. I still have room left over. What do you think? I think it's going to be well worth the money. Because we can use it as a carry-on shorty or regular size. You can check it if you want to. We were excited when we found these. Hopefully that'll help some of you. I know a lot of folks use the packing cubes. I've never used them. I'm not against them, but I've just never used them. And I wanted to show you how I pack. This is just for me, though. Tom got his own. But thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe. And we also have Facebook, Instagram. So check us out. Thanks. See ya. Keep on cruising.